Week 5 of distance learning. I realize that some students are only looking on their dashboard to find assignments. Please make sure that you actually go into my class to find all of the resources. And it should look like this. Now we are going into week 5 of distance learning, but you can still turn in assignments for week 3 and week 4. Even though they are technically late, I am not taking off points at this time. So just get those assignments done and get them turned in. If you need help, email me. So for week 5, here's the lesson plan. The how-to video is what I'm currently making. And for task 1, you're going to watch these videos and take your own notes. You can either print it there or do it on your own paper. Once you're finished, you will submit them there. Now, this assignment is locked until the 20th, but whenever it's open, it should have a blue button that says submit. Okay. For task 2, you are going to do the 3-question worksheet, submit your answers, and upload a picture of your work. Okay, so it is 3 questions, but those questions have 2 parts, like part A and part B. So I'm definitely going to show you what that's going to look like whenever you enter your answers. So let's take a peek right there. So I have to leave student view so that I can show you a preview. Okay, so here's how it's going to look. I put this big and bold right here because I wanted you to look at this. This is question 1A. You would put your answer right here. And please notice that I put, do not put the word labels like feet or time. You only need to enter the number part of your answer. So there's 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B. It keeps going. Okay. Then on question number 7, you need to upload a picture of your work here. Include your name on your pictures. So choose a file, upload it right there, and then you can submit your quiz. Now I know that a lot of people have been having trouble with Canvas. So if you cannot get this part to work, then you can send me your files through email. But please make sure that you include your name and which assignment you are submitting work for. Otherwise, I might not be able to figure out which one it is. Now, you can only also choose one file to upload on question 7 here. So I want to show you what I've had a couple of students do. I've had some students who had more than one page, so they made a Word document and they just put both pages there and then they submitted the Word document. That worked out perfectly. Then I've also had students who did this, where they took a picture of their notes. That's fine. Both of them side by side, I have no problem with that. That'll work. You just need to make sure that I can actually read your work. The picture needs to be good enough for that, so I can read it. That way I can provide feedback. Okay. So if you are not part of CM, then this video is over for you and you can click X. If you do go to CM, then these are your assignments and they are slightly altered. So if you go over here for the notes, it is basically the same thing as the last one, but I did go ahead and give you a copy so that you can see it here. But you need to make sure that you copy them in your own handwriting and upload it for the grade here. Okay. And then for task 2. What's different for your task 2 is that you have had one question knocked off. So if you look right here, it says this assignment is modified. You do not have to do question 3B on the worksheet. Other than that, it's the exact same as every other assignment. So go over here, you've got your 1A and 1B, and then you can submit your answers.